Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your lip color on Snapchat. Before getting started, make sure your Snapchat is up to date. To check, go to your app store, then on the search bar type in Snapchat. From the result section, tap on Snapchat icon, and if you see any update button on this page, tap on update, and once your app is up to date, open the app. Once you open the app, make sure you log into your account, and once you log in, tap on your profile at the top left corner. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. On this page, it will show you all user informations like your name, username and your avatar. Now, to change your lip color, tap on this wardrobe icon. Then once you reach to this page, scroll this bar. Then you will see this lipstick icon, tap on it. Now you can choose any color, just tap on it. Then your lips color will be changed. You can choose other color options too. Once you have chosen your preferred color, tap on this save button just like this. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.